to see without a microscope, yet they are abundant on Earth. They live everywhere in air, soil, rock, and water. These microscopic organisms are found in plants and animals as well as in the human body. Some microbes cause diseases in humans, plants, and animals. Others are essential for a healthy life, and we could not exist without them. Most microbes belong to one of four major groups: bacteria, viruses, fungi, or protozoa. There are many food products which are formed from microbes. For example, sauerkraut is produced by Leuconostoc and Lactobacillus species within shredded cabbage. Cucumbers are fermented by these same microorganisms to produce pickles.